Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our salon. Please come and sit here. Please come and sit here. Thank you, I am excited today. What service do you want today? What service do you want today? I want a simple haircut. Your hair looks very healthy. Your hair looks very healthy. Thank you very much. Do you want short hair or long hair? Do you want short hair or long hair? I want medium length hair.
Okay, I will prepare the tools. Okay, I will prepare the tools. This salon looks very beautiful. Now I will start cutting your hair. Now I will start cutting your hair. I am ready. I am ready. I like watching in the mirror. Your new hairstyle will look beautiful. Your new hairstyle will look beautiful. Your hair is soft and beautiful. Your hair is soft and beautiful. That makes me very happy. I am combing your hair slowly. I am combing your hair slowly. Your work is very professional. Your new hairstyle looks beautiful. Wow, I really like my hair. I want to post my new look online. Everyone will love your hairstyle. Which shampoo is good for my hair? A soft shampoo is best for you. How many times should I wash my hair? 2 or 3 times a week is enough. Do not use very hot water on your hair. Thank you for the helpful advice. Should I use hair oil every day? 2 times a week is better. How can I keep my hair shiny? Use good conditioner and drink more water. Here is the payment. Here is the payment. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you want to learn daily English easily, please subscribe to English with SMG. If you want to